Chicken Yakhni soup recipe. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 small onion, finely chopped. Sauté until it becomes transparent and turns golden brown. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and cook for 3 minutes. Add chicken pieces and cook until the chicken turns white. Now, add the following spices. Salt to taste. Crushed black pepper, 1 teaspoon. Cumin, jeera, powder, 1 teaspoon. Turmeric, haldi, 1/2 teaspoon. Add a small amount of water and cook for 5 minutes. Pour in 5 cups of water. Add green chilies. Cover and let it simmer for 15-20 minutes. After cooking, remove the chicken and onions from the soup. If you want more yakhni, add 1 extra cup of water. Shred the cooked chicken and return it to the yakhni. Add 1/2 teaspoon chicken. Masala, 1/2 teaspoon cumin, jeera, powder. 1/2 teaspoon crushed black pepper. Cook on low flame for 5-8 minutes. In a small bowl, mix 3-4 teaspoons of corn flour with water to make a slurry. Gradually add it to the soup while stirring continuously. Let it cook until the soup thickens. Boil an egg, slice it, and serve the soup for added richness. Enjoy your hearty, flavorful chicken yakhni soup.